Good morning, students. This is Chef Rakesh from Culinary Institute of India. On my EduTalk series, What is Management? I take it a little more further. I hope you must have watched my first video where I discussed what is management, one aspect of it, definitely. And today I am going to talk about, is management an art or is it a science? If it is neither of them, why do we study in a very categorized way? And why is it called Masters in Business Administration? Why do we have to study it? We can do well without studying it. It could be any bachelor's degree, simple bachelor's degree. But yes, let me look at it from both the perspective. Is management an art? A lot of people say it's an art. Why? So what is art? I'd say it's a science. So what is science? Science is definite. Science is something definite which happens. It's a relationship between cause and effect. So what's the cause of any effect? यदि कुछ भी होता है वो क्यों होता है? So science कहता है, science says that whatever you do will have a definite result under certain circumstances. That's science. Very simple. यदि पेड़ से फल गिरेगा, if an apple drops, if an orange drops from the tree, it will fall down. It won't go up because we have a theory called gravitational theory. If you are rotating something tangentially and suddenly release it, the net result will be it will be thrown off the axis at a tangent to the circle, the elliptical path that it was rotating. It had a torque, the force behind rotation. So science says anything that happens has a cause to it. And if you make that cause happen, you get a definite result 1,000 out of 1,000 times. But what is an art? Art is individual. Art is something you appreciate, you feel it, you know, yes, it is beautiful. You know, yes, it is right. Art is something which you do at your own will. There's no theory defining it, only broad parameters. For example, मैं आपको कहता हूँ नींबू का शरबत बना के लाओ. You get me a fresh lime water. What you do? You just squeeze a lemon, put some water and make it sweet or salt and give it. If I ask 10 different students to prepare a fresh lime soda, it will taste little different every time you do it. So it's an art, because if I ask you to draw a rose, hundreds of students will have a little dissimilarity in the rose, but they are all rose. Similarly, managing a job, managing a work, managing any task is an individual effort, an individual style. And science is a theory which happens all the time. You do something, you get a definite result. So, please understand, individuals carry out this practicing of management, managing resources, getting productivity done effectively, but effectivity varies from one person to another. Hundreds of problems cropping up every day. Decision making is a process where you have so many alternatives. So when you have so many alternatives, choosing an alternative is an art. But the end result of that alternative is science. Economics is about understanding demand and supply of a market. The price of an object goes up and down. You know, there is a change in demand. There is a change in supply. So there's a science involved in it. In a market, if the supply is less, the price will go up. Because demand is stagnant, price will go up. And in a market, if the supply is surplus, the price will go down. So there is a definite effect on price due to the supply, and that's a science. And accordingly you tailor your expenses and income, and you take decision as a manager of a business organization to increase your return on investment, maybe in the long term, maybe in the short term. That's a different perspective. But management is an art as well as science both, because it has an individual touch, because it has an individual way to it. It's an art, and it's all about decision making for the organization, benefit of everybody around, and you need certain parameters and proven theory for it, or you may come out with your own certain theory which others will follow with a definite result later on, will be a science, presumptive science, like probability is a science. जुआ खेलना probability, जुआ खेलना भी probability से defined होता है. So what is the probability of success? It's a science, it's a mathematical calculations. So management is an art. When you deal with finances, it's a science. When you deal with bottom line of business, it's a science and art both. So don't be confused. Just manage your resources well. Keep an eye on the bottom line and let others think what's an art, what's in science. You should understand it's both an art and science as well. Thanking you. I hope I've been very clear in my understanding of the topic. And this is Chef Rakesh from Culinary Institute of India signing off again. Please be with me. I will be coming down with explanations on so many different things that makes life easy for you as a student, as an entrepreneur, and as an individual on the whole. Thank you so much.